Mohabbat hi naqsha thi. Love was the map,
yet we mistook it for war.
Mohabbat hi naqsha thi. हम जंग समझते रहे,
Love was the map,
yet we called it war anyway.
दिलों के दरमियां जो रास्ते थे कभी,
We turned every bridge into a border to obey.
मोहब्बत ही नक्शा थी.
Love was the map.
हर एक चेहरे के पीछे एक यूनिवर्स था, but we kept scrolling souls like temporary data. सच को aesthetics में convert कर दिया. Now everybody's loud but nobody relates, yeah.
हमने खौफ को कल्चर बना दिया धीरे धीरे. Fear became fashion, anger became flavor. हर echo chamber में सच टूटता गया, and algorithms kept feeding the behavior. जो रोता था तन्हा weak नहीं था, maybe silence was a language we forgot. हम जीतने निकले थे दुनिया से, लेकिन lost ourselves somewhere in the thought. मोहब्बत ही नक्शा थी. हम जंग समझते रहे. Love was the map, yet we mistook it for war.
हर दिल में मुमकिन था एक नया जहां,
But we kept locking every emotion and door. मोहब्बत ही नक्शा थी. Love was the map.
ज़माने ने बोला
Detached to survive.
so we learned distance before dialogue. Had disagreement को danger समझ लिया ना, nobody listens, everybody monologues.
हर एक जख्म के अंदर भी थी वापसी की जगह, but pain became identity online. हमने आदमी को tribe में divide कर दिया. Now empathy feels almost empty timeline. Maybe peace was never silence. Maybe humanity was never meant to agree on everything.
Maybe wisdom begins
When we realize even opposing hearts carry fragments of light.
हर एक राय में कुछ रोशनी भी रहती है.
मोहब्बत ही नक्शा थी. हम जंग समझते रहे. Love was the map, yet we mistook it for war. दिल टूटते रहे, शहर जलते रहे, while we kept asking what we were fighting for. मोहब्बत ही नक्शा थी. Love was the map,
and maybe still is.
मोहब्बत ही नक्शा थी. Love was the map. Love was the map.